friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bingo as Grandma Rita from Bluey. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. In the center of our eye now, further up towards the top right, we're going to draw in another oval for the pupil of the eye. Let's draw the muzzle for the nose now. So stepping across, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And now from that point, we're just going to arch this line around and then over towards the side. In the corner, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the corner of the mouth. Now in the center for the nose, we're going to start on the top by drawing in a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to connect this together on the bottom with a nice big arch line, curving that around, back up. In the top now, let's draw in a sideways oval for the highlight on the nose. And now let's draw in our right eye. So coming further in on top, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the side. Moving up above now on the nose, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the pupil of the eye. And now let's move up and draw in the eyebrows. So leaving quite a big gap here, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that down. And then we're going to leave a gap in the center, moving over on the left and replicating that. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the side. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left, arching this line around and then back in. Now let's draw in the blanket on top. So coming further up on the right, we're going to curve this line down, across, and over towards the left. On the right hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving over on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in, ending that so it's at the same height. Let's close off the middle now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line in towards the center and then down. And then over on the left hand side, we're going to again curve this around and then back down, connecting that together. In the center now, starting on the top, we're going to curve this line in, out, and then back in towards the side. Now let's close off the rest of the blanket on the outside. So coming over towards this corner, we're going to curve this line over and then down on the left-hand side. Moving back over on the left-hand side now, we're going to draw in a nice big curved diagonal line, arching this all the way down and then in towards the bottom, ending this so it's roughly at the same height. Connecting this in now, we're just going to draw in a curved line, arching that around and then in towards the middle. To the right of this now, from that corner, we're going to curve this line down and then in at the bottom. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in towards that line in the center. Moving up now, we're going to curve this line across towards the side. And then starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line around and then up. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left hand side. Now let's add the details in up above. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that up towards the top. And then as we come down on the right, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Closing off the rest of the mouth, underneath our left eye, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches around and then in towards the middle. And then from here, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the bottom. Let's step further over on the left-hand side now. We're going to curve this line around and then down on our left eye. And then stepping over towards the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in again. On the top now, let's draw in a curved line from left to right, arching that down. And then lastly, we're going to draw on the feet. So in the center, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. From here now, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. Stepping over towards the inside, we're going to draw in a small straight line that comes down. And now from here, we're going to curve this line back around and then in towards the top. From here, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines that arch over towards the left. And then as we move over on the left-hand side, let's replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw Bingo as Grandma Rita from Bluey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.